Parents, stop showing up at IEP meetings empty-handed. The school has data and you should too. My name is Aquila Robinson and I am a special education teacher. This week, time how long your child writes before they pause or say, I'm done. Count the minutes and write it down. And count the number of sentences they write and write it down. Bring that to your child's next IEP meeting in simple, real data about endurance. I'm curious, does your child write better with a pencil or typing on the keyboard? Let me know in the comments.